today I'm gonna talk about my first trade, second week, day 6 last trade. So this is my last trade. So I will quickly talk about my trade. So same again, I just do the silly mistake. Hopefully I will not do same thing again and again. Right, let's talk about my trade, why I took sell trade on this one. So what happened is I was looking for sell. So if you look here, this is the 4 hours high has been taken, then it's pushing down. Same again, if you look on the 1 hour, here pushing down, and then it's going to retrace and then take this swing high of this 1 hour candle. So once it take high, I should be looking for another thing, which is, so this one mitigate, and then I should be looking for 15-minute liquidity sweep. However, what happened is, this is my thinking, and then this kills me everything day by day. So what happened is there is a change of character. So what I see is this candle is inverse by this sweep candle. So I was just thinking it's going to retrace and then go down, but I was not looking for another. So we may have another 15-minute candle to get swept and then going down. But what happened is, I just look at the candle and then it's rejecting these highs and then so on. So I just retrace on this one and then I just take the entry. So I put my sell down here and then step, and then you just take my stop loss straight away. So that's my silly mistake. So first thing, that's fine, 1 hour candle. So I should be waiting for 15-minute liquidity sweep. So on this candle, if you look here, this candle should be swept this high and then coming down and then making a change of character. But however, I just put this sell order here and then I lost this trade. So day 6, week 2, first trade loss. Right, next trade, week 2, day 6, second trade. Second trade, which is lost. I'm happy with this loss. Only the thing I will notice one thing for the future trade. So I will take a journal for this one. So what happened? So if you look here, so we got 1 hour swept, which is this one, and then I was looking for 15-minute swept. So we got high time frame, which is 1 hour, which is swept. That's fine. And then second one is 15-minute swept, which is this one. And then once we swept, so we got candle down all the way, and then change of character, and then I enter on the golden zone. It was going all the way down, and then I have noticed on 1 hour there is a fair value gap. However, this is my trade, so I just put my stop loss and then take profit. I'm not going to take any parcel or anything. So finally I get stop out at the end. So only one thing I was noticed at this time is I've seen this kind of trade before. So I take the screenshot. It says here. So before, when there is 15-minute swept, and then when there is a change of character on here. So what happened is, if you look closely on 15-minute and 1 hour, so when this change of character happened, I can still see the bullish candle. So what I'm looking, previous 15-minute candle, that should be not inverse, but that should be pushed down by bullish candle like this. And if you look here, there is still bearish candle, but still there is a bullish candle like this. So this change of character should be going all the way down, making a bearish candle like this. so should be down all the way, showing the bearish momentum. So for future trade, I will be considering, if I see any kind of change of character happen above with a bullish candle showing like this kind of things, so I'm gonna ignore this kind of trade. That's it. Day 6, second trade loss. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about my week 2, day 7 first trade, which is winning trade. So quickly recap this trade. So what happened is, from here, what you see is, so we got 4 hours and 1 hour swept, which is our first criteria is meetup, which is this one. So I'm just waiting for next one, which is 15-minute liquidity sweep. So this is the another 50-minute candle. So we got swept up here, 15-minute, which is second criteria, which is meetup. And then I'm just looking for next one is 1 minute change of character, which is down here. And then if you look here, the change of character happened just below these 2 hours and 1 hour candle down. So anything change of character happen up here, I'm not going to take it. So if you look here deep down, not good displacement, but a kind of bullish pressure down here, all the way here. And then we got retrace 50%, which is our golden zone, and then take our TP down here. So that's my first trade of day 7, which is winning trade. Hello everyone. Same again, week 2, day 7, second trade, which is winning trade. Quickly recap about my second trade. So if you look here, it's quite messy, but if you look here on 1 hour, what you will see is this is the high of the 1 hour, and then we got tag, which is 1 hour swept here, and then first criteria meter, and then I was looking at 15-minute sweep, and then there's so many 15-minute candle here. However, I was just looking to get rejected and then getting pressure down here. So if you look here, so we got swept by this candle, but however we got another 15-minute candle, which already had swept this high, and then if you look this candle, it is quite low from this candle, so it has not made any change of character down here. However, I was just looking to have a nice change of character. And then if you look here, we got a new 1 hour candle open. So that 1 hour candle may get another bias, which is very good. And then if you look here, this is the latest 15-minute candle, and then this is the 1 hour open, 1 hour open. However, if there's a kind of sweep up, so maybe I will look for another thing, and then same again, and our setup is there. So we got break up structure, and then if you look here, the swing point, it has been swept down, having a nice displacement with a change of character below, with a new 15-minute candle, and then a 1 hour going down, which is bearish pressure, and then that's the confirmations, which is nice. And then if you look here, the 1 hour high swept, this line is below, which is change of character, which is quite good. And then if you look here, when the change of character happened down, and then it comes to the 50% golden zone, which is quite good. In a 15-minute, 1 hour, and then 4 hours, when it comes to the 50% retracement, all the candle is bearish, which is good sign. So what happened on this trade? Because of my work, I can't put my TP down here, so I think I out somewhere here, so I just took out my profit manually. however, later on I set up my Fibonacci extension tool to get my profit levels. It has reached to the TB level. That's my winning trade. So I will never go B. I will never take partial. Just put my stop loss and then TB. But however, on this trade, I can't put my take profit. That's my winning trade. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna break down my first trade, which is first trade, which is winning trade. So why I took this trade? Just looking from my checklist. First thing, the high time frame swept. So if you look here, 1 hour and then 4 hour. If you look here, this previous candle had been swept by this candle, which is up here, and then getting, like bearish all the way down here. So what happened is I was looking for here to get a retrace and then take entry, but however, the market doesn't give any retracement to come back here and then take the entry. So I was hoping today the market not gonna give us a chance to take the trade. But however, what happened is when it pushing down all the way up here, the 4 hours and then 1 hour is getting bearish, and then before that, on 15-minute time frame, there was like a bearish fair value gap, so which is my checklist again. So 15 minutes trend one, so it is like trending bullish down. So got a 15-minute market, and then I was looking for a 15-minute liquidity sweep. So what happened is, so it has got retrace all the way up here, tap the 15-minute, and then go down, and again I was looking for this high to get swept, which is 15-minute liquidity swept, and then it has swept and then pushed down. If you look down here, there's a nice breakup structure as well, and then it has get nice displacement down here, and then I take this trade on this golden zone, and then interesting thing happened. So on MT5, my target was not hit, but on this trading view it has. So I was quite formal on that moment. So on this time I was trying to manually close the trade, but however I go break even and then just leave the trade. And then what happened, after a couple of minutes, it has get my TP hit. However, looking onto the other time frame on this situation, I was thinking to get like reverse region behind of this 15-minute candle, on that fair value gap, and then so on. But however, at last I just win this trade. Hello everyone again. Day 8, second trade. Right, this trade is quite interesting. So on this trade, I was looking at the chart, and then what happened is I was looking on other time frame, which is 15-minute. Get here like a fair value gap, like rejection from here. So I took this trade. However, I just missed my checklist. So once I took this trade, what happened is I quickly go for high time frame, and then I don't see my checklist hitting, so I just go for like a break even. So maybe I think there's a like small profit, but however, I'll take this trade as a no trade. So what's the mistake on this trade is, I'm gonna break down quickly. So what happened is, before I take this trade, I should be looking for high time frame sweep. So if you look on 1 hour or 4 hour, if you look here, so what happened is the latest swept is this one. So this high, which is down here, and then if you look the low, which is down here. So I was tracking here because on 1 hour there is a fair value gap, so it has stop, which is down here, and then I was looking for buy. However, there is no any setup to take the buy. We got nice change of character, but if there is a retracement down here, I'm gonna take buy. But however, there is no. That's why I get distracted on this 15-minute, and then I take the trade. So what happened is here is because this candle had swept this this previous candle low. So until this fair value gap, we can look for sell. But however, once it has tapped to 1 hour fair value gap and then got a reaction, we should be looking for buy. So this current candle, the next candle doesn't take any highs and then lows, so which means we're not gonna take any trade until the highs and lows been taken. But however, I get distracted because I was thinking here I need to take a trade, but there's no any trade setup and everything. So I took it and I just realized, okay, this is not my entry, so this is not on my checklist, so I just close this trade. Then I will take it no trade for this one. Hello everyone, day 9. So on this day 9 I don't took any trade, so I don't see any setup, and then I don't take any trade. So but however, there was a one trade I was looking to sell, but I'll just quickly break down. Let me put my criteria. So this is my checklist. So first thing, I will be looking for high time frame, which is 4 hours, 1 hour session highs and lows. So if you look here closely, we got 1 hour highs, and then we got another 1 hour high up here, and then definitely we got 4 hours high above here. So I was looking from these 3 highs to get my setup. So what happened is we got 15-minute candle tap the first 1 hour candle, and then definitely first thing happened. So next thing, which is 15-minute liquidity sweep, which is the next candle need to sweep the previous candle. So let's go. So if you look here, we got next previous candle get swept, and then we are going down. So I just need to confirm with last 1 minute change of character, and then so on. So there is some rules. If I get a change of character above, I'm not gonna take it. Same time, look at the candle, especially the 15-minute, not the 1 hour and then 4 hours, because still 4 hours got time, 1 hour still they got time. So I think they just almost 8:32. Okay, right. And then we got 15-minute fair value gap as well, so we need to consider before we take the entry. So let's see what happened, and then we push up, and then again rejection down, and then again we got another 15-minute candle pushing up, and then I'm gonna move the highs line to here. So if you get swept up on this 15-minute and then push down, that will be more stronger inversing this 15-minute candle, which is this low. Go, and then what happened is this candle take this highs. Okay, so we got another highs up here, which is and then what happened is we got 15-minute and then another hour our candle open. So if we got set higher and then push down, that will be more valid. And then same again, we got this candle, so make sure we got a change of character down here, not this one. So what happened if there is a change of character up here? I'm not gonna take look. So there is a change of character up here, so I'm gonna ignore. But however, what happened is, if you look closely here, the high has not been taken out by the open candle 15 minutes. So however, there will be still valid a change of character if there is a change of character below here. But however, the change of character is up here. If you look closely, this candle low, which is this one, so change of character is up here, so I'll not take it as a valid. And then even on this trade, there is not a good retracement up here, and then I don't trade this trade. So day 9, no trade day. That's it. I will see you on week 2, day 10, Friday 20th, 2025. I think everyone knows what happened on Friday, and so it is quite rough day for everyone. I think they just CME. The market is wild, by the way. There is so many liquidation. Every broker get liquidated. I think market has been stopped for a while, and then so on. However, I was looking for entry, and then even in my brokers, there's so many big spread, I can't take it. So if you look here, so there is a one setup I saw in the morning on London zone. So I'm trying to take the trade, but however, if you look here, the spread is quite big. So let's talk about this trade. So if you look here on this one, I'm just trying to look for this 1 hour high to take. So 1 hour high take, yeah, and then I was looking for this 15 minute to get swept. And then if you look here, yeah, swept, but however, these candles stay there. And then if you look here, I was just looking for this recent 15 minute high bid to take for liquidity, and then swept. And then if you look here, you got nice change of character, and then I was looking. But however, when I try to look for the entry, the spread is quite big. Even I put the entry, how can you step out? So I don't take the trade, and then what happened at last, it hit the TP. So if you go all the way down the market, what happened is market is like pushing down, but on the real one, like the market goes like this. So these things happen, and then the thing is like, I'm gonna protect my capital, I'm not gonna trade anything. And then I look on the news, they just CME, and then so many things happening. So Black Friday, end of the month, and then so on. So I consider there's no trading day for Friday. So I just look the market, but I don't take the entry, anything. And then yeah, that's it. Day 10, that's no trade. And then I will summarize everything for this week on the next slide. Hello everyone. Now I'm gonna recap my week 2 trading journal. So if you look on my overall account for this 100k, so my current balance is I'm slightly up to 2710 compared to the last week. So quickly break down, so how many trade I have taken so far last week is, so if you look here, so I have take 24, I have take 2 trade, 25 I have take 2 trade, 26 I have take 2 trade, and then 27, which is Thursday, no trade, and then Friday I have take no trade. So if you look on this second trade, I have lost 2 trade. So you have seen on the first trade and second trade why I lose it. And then on 25th I have took 2 trade, which is win, which is 983, and then next one I will say just 1 trade, so which is 614, and then 27 no trade, and then 28 no trade. So overall we got profit on this week. So quickly summarize. So we are not on daily drawdown. We got still maximum drawdown, and then we just need 6,289.07 left. So altogether 14 trades so far. If you look, my RR 2.48, and then win rate is 57, and then we have complete our trading day. So just need our target balance, which is this one. So if you look my trading overview, 57 win rate, profit factor 0.34, consistency 36.29. So average win and then average loss. That's my quick summary of my week 2. And then hopefully next week we'll have a nice trade, or maybe not. Let's see on the next week.